Hola everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, opening the door to your new home in Fiji. Walk with me while you check out your new place. Hey, how about this? Golf course view, amazing swimming pool. This can be purchased for 2.8 million Fijian dollars, or if you just want to rent, 3,000 a month. For this side over here, which has a separate entrance, 2-bed, 2-bath, fully furnished with full kitchen, or $3,000 for this side. And if you wanted both, if you've got a big family or business executives, you can all come in here and rent both sides, and I'm sure we can cut you a phenomenal deal. So let's have a look together. Here is the first side. Great kitchen. Notice the granite countertops, double sink, 6-burner gas range with that phenomenal backsplash. There's your built-in microwave and dishwasher. Great storage. A lot of great Australian and New Zealand wines. This part of the world, so you can clearly find a home for them, I'll bet, right around in there. And again, notice those epic views of the golf course, the swimming pool, the fans, the air conditioner. Really nice artwork and furnishings that come with the property. Here is the first bedroom, and you've got in each of the bathrooms have the rain shower there. Great sink, really clean, modern lines. Lots of storage. That's a really big positive. So there's your 1-bedroom, 1-bath, your great room again. Let's have a look from this angle. Walk with me as we go by the second bedroom on this side, and you're going to see a nice walk-in closet here. So literally you just need to get off the plane, grab your bags, get over here. We'll get you a nice cold drink, some boo juice. If you're not familiar with boo juice, it is coconut water straight from fresh Fijian coconuts. Nice double sinks in there in that bathroom. Big rooms here. Really nice positive. You got a slider off to the right with a great sitting area, but this is where you're going to want to be out here. Come with me. Look at this. Check this pool out. I remember doing laps as a kid. Wow, that is a long way. So if you're a swimmer, and there are a lot of people that come out to Fiji for all the water activities, surfing, kayaking, snorkeling, some of the best soft coral diving in the world. Definitely Google that. So Fiji has so much going for it. And another great thing about Denarau Island is you've got Denarau Golf and Racket Club, and you can literally golf and see your house every day. So let's go to the second part of the house, and you can see this middle area where everybody can come together, have a nice barbecue, nice fan. Here's the second kitchen. Notice the modern appliances here too. So just because you're coming to Fiji doesn't mean that you have to suffer any quality issues, things like that. You've got a lot of appliances. Most of these appliances come from New Zealand, from Fisher Paykel, and some other international brands that you've probably heard of as well. So again, everything's furnished. Great views. Everything opens up. They've got sitting areas throughout this home. To my left is the first bathroom. And again, there is that rain shower. So relaxing after a full day on the beach, enjoying yourself here in this 333 island country. Amazing people here in Fiji. Gosh, you're gonna have so much fun. I'm excited for you, and you haven't even gotten here yet. Here is that second bathroom on this side. And again, everything furnished, great storage, air conditioners throughout, but look at this. We just woke up, a big stretch, we've got a coffee in our hand. We can come and have a nice little sit here. Maybe watch our friends or our family hitting the golf ball, doing some putting right here on the waterway. You can see a few of the boats down there with their boat jetties. And maybe you'll just spend the morning having a nice casually swim here in your huge swimming pool, just lounging, listening to the birds chirping and enjoying the Fiji lifestyle. We're so excited to get you here. This is an amazing listing for sale at 2.8 million Fijian dollars, or $3,000 a month for each side. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679-999-2051 to see this and all of our listings. We really look forward to hearing from you. Take care. We'll talk with you soon. Manaka.